Good afternoon, students. In previous class, I have explained about biodiversity, nomenclature, binomial nomenclature, and classification. Before that, the chapter is the living world. So, in the living world, we have seen biodiversity, then nomenclature, binomial nomenclature, and next one classification. Today, we are going to see taxonomy. Taxonomy is a branch of biology. It deals with identification, nomenclature, classification. So, identification of living organisms, nomenclature of living organisms, classification of living organisms. So, it deals with identification, nomenclature, classification of living organisms. That is taxonomy. So, when we talk about identification, if you see one born baby, first we should identify whether it is boy or girl. Then only we can give name to a particular baby. Whether the baby is boy or girl. If it is boy, we can give boy name. If it is girl, we can give girl name. So identification is very important in the taxonomy. So after identification, we will move on to nomenclature. Nomenclature is giving name of living organisms. Yes, we have variety of plants and animals. Yes, I think in our world we have different kinds of plants and animals. Without naming, without classification, we could not identify them. So, naming is important. So, that's why in taxonomy, nomenclature is very important. In nomenclature, then we have two types. One is binomial nomenclature. Second one is trinomial nomenclature. So, in binomial nomenclature, we have two types. One is synonym and tautonym. It is binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature, that means giving two names to the particular living organisms. Yeah, naming two living organisms with two components. One is genus and another one is the species. That is binomial nomenclature. Here, synonym and tautonym both are binomial nomenclature. Okay. The autonym is trinomial nomenclature because for a single animal or plant we are giving three names, but in the binomial nomenclature we can give only two names. Here we can give three names. That's why it is trinomial nomenclature. It is binomial nomenclature. Before entering into that, I want to tell one thing. In previous class, I told about ICBN, ICZN. So, in last class I told about ICBN, ICZN. It is International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. Here they have given rules and regulations. That means they are giving code to the nomenclature. How we need to give the name. What are the criteria for naming. So like that, they are given some rules and regulations. Already I told. Yes. Here, if you take binomial nomenclature, synonym, toponym I told. Synonym, that means already you know in English we have synonym words. Yes. So like that, particular organism or single organism having two scientific names, that is synonym. So synonym, that means single organism has two scientific names. Sir, how can you say one organism have two scientific names? Whether it is confused or not? No, it won't confuse you, because scientists, they have given clear clarification. Okay, so I will explain that synonym. Just you can take example, two scientists. One scientist doing research on fungi. Okay, one scientist doing research on fungi. Example 2015 you take. In 2015, one scientist doing research on fungi. Then that scientist has given scientific name Albigo candida. Albigo candida. So first scientist has given one scientific name on fungi. Okay. He has identified. He has given name, scientific name, two names. So it is binomial nomenclature. Albigo candida. Again, later on, one scientist came. He is also doing research on that same fungi. He has given another name, Cystopus candidus. Cystopus candidus. So Albigo candida has given by one scientist this name, this scientific name, Cystopus candidus, has given by one scientist. But both of them given name to the single organism. Okay. So first name is valid name. First name is valid name. Second name, it is synonym. This name is synonym to Albigo candida. Okay. Why they have given two names? That means different scientists or different taxonomists has decided two names. First, Albigo candida given by one scientist, Cystopus candidus given by other scientists. But both of them given name to particular fungi. Okay. So one animal or one plant which has two names, that means it is synonym. Do you understand that? Yes. Then next one, tautonym. Tautonym, here you see Naja, Naja. Naja, Naja. The genus name and species name are same. That means it is tautonym. Okay. Here, if one species have two names, that means synonym. Okay. Tautonym, that means one name, but the genus name and species name are same. So that is tautonym. It is approved by ICZN, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature. But here, in the tautonym is approved by ICZN. We can give genus and species name or same. But in the plants you cannot give because the ICBN will not be approved. So the tautonym is only for animals. Naja, Naja, Ratus, Ratus, Gorilla, Gorilla. So like that we have genus and species name are same. Next one, autonym. It is trinomial nomenclature. It is trinomial nomenclature. Here, genus name is present, species name is present, and subspecies we have. Corvus splendens, splendens. Corvus splendens, splendens. It is scientific name of Indian crow. Okay. Actually, Corvus splendens. It is present somewhere else in the world. Another one subspecies we have. That means it has some slight changes. That means minor changes which has. Which one? Indian crow. Indian crow which has minor changes. Right? How that minor changes came to that particular species? That means based on their habitat, they have some slight changes. So if it has slight changes, minor changes, that means we can give subspecies. So that's why here we have given three names: Corvus, Splendens, Splendens. Right? Do you understand? Synonym, tautonym, autonym. Synonym, that means for a single species we are giving two scientific names, because it is based on the taxonomist. But the both name denote single organism. Okay. First name is valid name. Second name is synonym. Okay. Tautonym, that means both genus and species have common name. Naja, Naja, that means same name. Autonym, it is trinomial. Here we have three names: genus, species, subspecies. How that subspecies are coming? That means already I told that based on the habitat, it showed some minor changes. That's why the scientist has given subspecies. Right. So then we can go for classification. Already you know that anything can be grouped into categories. So here we have categories. That is classification. Anything can be grouped into different categories. Because we have lot of plants and animals, that all the animals and plants should be categorized, right? So taxonomic categories, that means we have different categories in the classification. One is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, right? So this is different categories. Different categories. Here you can, any animals or any plants you can group into that. That's why it is taxonomic categories. Right. Let's see one by one. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Right. Here I have written species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. This is what different categories. Okay. But we have one sequence, one order, right? So that order is taxonomic hierarchy. Exactly, if you take any one kind of school, that we have different hierarchy. Student, class teacher, then HOD, then principal, then correspondent or president, that we have different orders, different category that we have. So like that, here also we have different categories, but it is in the order. That's why it is taxonomic hierarchy. If anything in the order, it is called as hierarchy. Here we are included in the taxonomy, that's why it is called as taxonomic hierarchy. So first I want to explain species. Before that I told why we need classification. Classification is needed to study about the animals and plants. What are the similarities? What are the dissimilarities we have? So when you go for classification, different characters or same characters we can study, and we can easily identify and we can easily study about the animals and plants, right? So here you see species. It is in the taxonomic category, it is a basic unit. Each one of the category is called as taxon. Each one of the category is called as taxon. Species one taxon, genus one taxon, family one taxon, order one taxon, class one taxon, phylum one taxon, kingdom one taxon. So these all the taxon, it is called as taxonomic categories. So different categories. In order wise we have species to kingdom. So that's why it is taxonomic hierarchy. First one, species. In the taxonomic, smallest unit, basic unit is species. So what is species? Group of individual organisms have common character. Group of individual organisms have some common characters. They can interbreed among themselves. They can interbreed. They can do the breeding among themselves. If you take tiger and lion, lion can breed with only lion. So they have some common character. That's why it is one separate species. If you take tiger, they can reproduce among themselves. Okay, so they are considered as here one species because it is group of individuals have some common character. If you take tiger and lion, then we have differences. That's why it is different species, right? Okay, so species, that means group of individual organism having some common character. Then apart from that, it is doing interbreed. The next, it has same chromosomal number. When it is reproduced generation to generation, it have what? Same chromosomal number. So that is species, group of individual organisms. Example, Solanum tuberosum, Mangifera India, Panthera leo, Panthera tigris. Here, when you talk about scientific name, already you know that first name is genus, second name is species. It should be separately underlined. When you write, you should underline that. When you take print, when you take in written format in the printout, it should be italic. That is, you know already. So first name genus, second name is species. Here you see tuberosum, India, tigris, leo. It is group of individual organisms. Solanum tuberosum. It is what? Potato. Right? Mangifera India, mango. Panthera leo. It is lion. Panthera tigris, tiger. So each and every individual, group of individual, call it as species. These are all the example. Solanum tuberosum, Mangifera India, Panthera leo, Panthera tigris. The next one, genus. Genus is the next level in the taxonomy. So it is smallest and basic unit of taxonomy. Here genus. Next one, it is higher than the species. Higher than the species. It includes several related species. It includes several related species. Example, Solanum tuberosum, Solanum lycopersicum, then Solanum melongena. Here Solanum. So same genus but different species. Tuberosum, potato, lycopersicum, tomato, melongena, brinjal. That all the one under them only one genus, that is Solanum. Solanum, that is a genus name. These three things which have some common character. That's why these all the species which included in Solanum. So it includes several related species. That related species which is kept in Solanum. Right. This is about genus. Here we have two types. One is monotypic and polytypic. Monotypic and polytypic. Monotypic, that means the genus which consists only one species. Example, Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. This is genus name, this is species name. Homo is genus which consists of only one species. But here you see Solanum tuberosa, Solanum lycopersicum, Solanum melongena. So here we have different species, that is polytypic genus. Monotypic genus means that genus which consists of only one species. Example, Homo sapiens. Here now we have human beings only one species, no other species. Okay, our species name is sapiens, Homo sapiens. Right. Next one, we can go for family. It is higher than the genus. It includes several genera. That means different genus. Which one? Family. Family, it includes several related genera. Here you have seen that different species placed in one genus, right? So different genus placed in family, right? When you go in descending, when you go from the small to big, yes, smallest unit to big unit, the common character is less. That's why it is the hierarchy starts from the smallest to highest. When you go upward, the common character is less. Because here you see tuberosum, lycopersicum, melongena. These are all the species which have a common character. So we are keeping into the genus. So genus, different genus, that means genera, different genera which have some common character. So we are placed into the family. Example, Solanaceae. Solanaceae, one family. Okay. That family consists different genera. Solana, Datura, Petunia. Right? So Solana, Datura, Petunia is different genus. So different genus has some common character. So it is keeping under one family. Which one? Solana, Datura and Petunia, which is coming under Solanaceae. It is one family. Here another one example you can see, Panthera. In Panthera you see Panthera leo, Panthera tigris we have. Oh, okay. So Panthera is genus. Felis also one genus. Felis catus. You know, Felis catus. It is cat. Felis catus. Panthera leo. It is what? Lion. So Panthera leo, Felis catus. Felis is one genus. Here Panthera is one genus. So two genus coming under Felidae. It is one family because Panthera and Felis which have one common character. That's why it is placed in the Felidae. Right. The next one, order. Like species, like genus, like family, order also which consists, which include different family. So different family included in order. Example, Carnivora. It is one order. It is one order. Here we have two family, Felidae, Canidae. Felidae and Canidae. So Carnivora, it is common character. Meat eating animals, you know it. So Felidae is what? Cat family. Canidae, it is dog family. So Felidae and Canidae which eat meat. So that's why it is under the Carnivora order. So different family which have common characteristics. So it is coming under one order. So it includes related family. several related family. So likewise class also. Class, it includes several related order. Several related order. Mammalia. One example is Mammalia. Mammalia is class. Here order is Carnivora Primata. Carnivora already I told meat-eating animals. Primata it is primitive. Monkey, gorilla which is under the primata. Okay. Here we have one common character for Carnivora and Primata. That is what? Which has mammary glands and it is giving birth, external ears, external hands. So that's why it is coming under Mammalia. So the Carnivora, Primata which has some common character. So we placed the both Carnivora and Primata in Mammalia. Then phylum. It is also like species, genus, family, order, class. Phylum. We have different kinds of phylum. So it includes several related class. Several related class. Yes. Here you see when you go species to genus, family, order, class, the characteristics, the common character will be reduced, decreased. Yes, right. Then phylum it will include several related class. That is Chordata. One phylum here I have given for example Chordata. Chordata which consists Mammalia, then fishes, apes, amphibia, these are the examples. Mammalia, fishes, apes, amphibia. The four classes which is under the Chordata, because these all the things which have one common character. That's why it is placed in the Chordata. That means which possess backbone. Right. So, which animal has backbone? Which is coming under the phylum Chordata. Okay. So we have one common character. Right. The next kingdom. It is Animalia. So several related phylum included in Animalia. So all the animals, different kinds of animals, all the animals undercome the Animalia. Right? So it is kingdom. It is highest unit in the classification. Species is the smallest unit in the classification because it is group of individual have some common character. When you go different species, we can keep it in the genus. Different genus we can keep it in the family. Different family we can keep it in the order. Then different order we can keep it in the class. Then different class we can keep it in the phylum. Then different phylum we can keep it in the kingdom. So finally all the animals included in the kingdom Animalia. So like same all the plants which is undercome the only one kingdom Plantae. Right. So it is about taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, I think now you all understood about taxonomy, taxonomic categories. Taxonomy that means it is biology, it deals with identification, nomenclature and classification. Then synonym, autonym we have seen. Then taxonomic categories, anything can be grouped. Here in the taxonomy we are grouping the animals and plants. That's why it is taxonomic categories. So we are writing in order. So that's why it is taxonomic hierarchy. So it is start from the species. It is smallest unit. Thank you. Please take care.